In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to join a Google Meet with an invite link. This will only take a few minutes, so let's dive right in and make it as straightforward as possible. Firstly, let's start by heading over to Google Meet. You can do this on any web browser by typing in meet.google.com. Once there, you should see a friendly interface that welcomes you to the Google Meet platform. If you're not already signed into your Google account, it might prompt you to do so at this stage. Make sure you're logged in so you can proceed without any hiccups. Now, once you're on the Google Meet homepage, you'll need to look for the option that says enter a code or link. It's typically found on the main screen as part of the homepage layout. Clicking on this option will open up a small text box where you can either type or paste your invite link or code. This is where you'll be entering the unique invite link you've received for your meeting. You might have received this link via email, a calendar event, or another form of message. Just ensure you have it handy. Once you've entered the link or code in the provided field, it's time to proceed by hitting that join button. This action will connect you to the meeting, and it's as simple as that. A quick note, if you're joining ahead of the start time, you might need to wait a bit until the host opens the meeting. In case it's your first time using Google Meet, your browser might ask for permissions to use your microphone and camera. Don't worry, this is normal and necessary for the meeting. Just allow these permissions to ensure you can participate fully, being seen and heard by others in the call. Before officially joining, you'll see a preview screen where you can check your video and audio settings to make sure everything's ready to go. This is a great time to adjust your camera angle or mute your microphone if you're joining a large meeting where it might be best to contribute only when needed. And there you have it, you're all set to begin or join your Google Meet. This process is not only quick but also very user-friendly, whether you're jumping into a business meeting, an online class, or a virtual catch-up with friends. Just remember to keep your invite link safe and avoid sharing it publicly unless you intend to invite others to join. Happy meeting.